Hey guys, I got an unboxing for you guys today. I know it's been a while since the last post. I'm sorry about that. Work's got in the way. So let's get this started. There we go. Well, I knew what I got. There's two things this box should be at least. I'm not sure how this is going, but okay. I got some things here. A box, which it looks like this felt came out of the box. It's a rail segment. Let me pick this up and show you guys. The idea behind it's right here. Just a little razor for what I got in here. And by the way, let me say this is not sponsored by any means. Yeah, do that a little bit, get that out of the way. That's a mess over there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Oh, that's good. Let me do that. And I got my dream gun finally. And it's Krytac. Oh, one of my mini dream guns. Krytac Trident Mark II CRB. And it looks like some things are kind of falling apart here. So give me a second. Give me just a sec. Alrighty, so you have to forgive me. I just learned this out. This is typically how the parts become. Mine did not, because it just so happens there's a hole inside of my manual bag. Why this is here, I don't know. Got a sticker, laptop, helmet, wherever you want to put it. Manual, and then the actual package. And let me get you guys a little bit closer so you can actually see what's in here. Krytac Trident. Something that come with it. I'll get it out and show you guys here. First off, let me get the model started out with this. You get a tool for the magazine. Let me say that. And you get a high cap mag. I guess I have a warning reel. I've heard that some of these do not have them. Recommends 0.28. I'm not going to be using 0.28, I can tell you that now. So, I also got rail segment, front sight, front end to the barrel, which I probably would not use, and a rear sight. Then you also get this long jamming rod, and the gun itself. There's a key mod and another one, I don't remember the name of it. I got the key mod and the foliage green. Well, let's go ahead and do this so I can do it all here. What I've heard, obviously this is closed. You have working bolt pitch. It's not half bad. Nice and crisp. Heard that this is, yeah, it's stiff. I'm not worried about that. I don't ever use this side. Personally, I think the only reason it's a little bit stiff is when you're going back and forth with this finger. Not bad. This is definitely by far the easiest stock I've ever played with. Push these buttons to open up the rear. I'm not going to do that right now. It does have quick detect swing points. That's about all I can say for now for the video. When I get up testing this, I'll show you guys more. I'll put that in another video. Thank you.